that on, huh? Oh, so nice, Melly. First night. We haven't been here in so long. We gotta get rid of this key. It's a bogus key and it gets me every time.
No, I have to
Every
teach
time.
you which one it is.
Why don't they just take it off? Because it can't get open.
Well,
right?
once I show you which one it is, take the one that is not off.
Alright. I bet we're gonna see alligators.
We're never gonna see them?
Yeah, I think we are gonna see.
Oh, because Michael Johnson's worried about it.
I think we are. Okay, so how's it look to you?
Nice.
Really nice, huh? Go in the hot tub.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Yeah, where are you going?
Oh, I suppose. Oh, lizard. Major lizard crossing. Like 100 of them. At least 5 anyway. Well, it will get cooler as the sun sets. At the rate we're going, the sun's going to set before we get there. Oh, it feels good to walk. I feel FOT. And speaking of FOT, it's October 5th. It's Hooper's birthday. Happy birthday, Hooper. I had a can of Coke for you. Let's go out for the brownie sundae tonight.
Put some brownies on your yogurt.
Ooh, getting sprayed by water.
Hello there.
What's up, honey?